Join your hands and close your eyes for the morning prayer.
You are with me wherever I go. Every movement your life in me flows. You're always there, close by my side. You are there, oh Lord, for day and night. You are there, oh Lord, for day and night. You are with me wherever I go. Every movement your life in me flows. You're always there, close by my side. You are there, oh Lord, for day and night. You are there, oh Lord, for day and night.
A very warm morning to our Honorable Principal Sir, teachers, elders and my dear friends. I'm Ansi of class 8th. I'm here to conduct today's virtual assembly. The theme of the assembly is how tissue paper is a threat to our environment. Friends, do you really want to make environmental impact fast? Changing your behavior on tissue paper use is a very simple and immediate way. So, I would like to call my friend Mehak to lead this assembly forward with the thought of the day.
A very warm good morning to one and all. I am Mehak of class 8E. Today's thought: save paper here and there. Don't waste it anywhere. I repeat the thought: save paper here and there. Don't waste it anywhere. Now, I would like to call some of my friends who will tell you how tissue paper is harmful for our environment.
Do you know the main reason of cutting down of trees? If not, then today my friends are going to tell you about this.
One of the biggest reasons for cutting trees are papers, and which is about the 35% of it, and it is majorly used for the tissue paper.
The same tissue which we use once and throw it away. The same tissue which is used to clean stuff. The same tissue which we use a lot but waste it even more. The same tissue which we habitual to use.
Initially, paper was made by using dead trees. As our need become more and more, trees are being cut. Our demand become more soft and more soft, resulting trees are being cut instead of using recycled paper because soft tissues are made of fresh cut trees.
In a single day, around 27,000 trees are cut only for our tissue needs. 27,000 multiplied by 365 makes it around 1 crore trees in a year. Surprised? Wait, there is more to come.
If we continue to cut down trees in this speed, then it is estimated that our survival is impossible for even next 100 years. It is an alarming situation and it is the time to change. But right now, you would be thinking, what is the replacement for tissue? If we can amend some changes in our life, we can save thousands of years.
Change number 1. Always keep a handkerchief in your pocket. If you can make place for your mobile phone, so you can also make the place for your handkerchief.
Change number 2. Buy 3 or 4 towels and keep them where you often use tissues, like your car, office places, etc.
Change number 3. Use tissue when there is no option left, and then 2 efficiently. Use 1 instead of 4.
Change number 4. Try to find a place to wash your hands first.
In the past 10 to 15 years, this culture of using tissues has come. Otherwise, we always used to wash our hands before and after eating. Now, you would be thinking that water would be getting wasted in this process. But, let me just tell you something. According to reports, to make a toilet paper, about 37 gallons of water is used, plus cutting of trees. Now, you think which is a better option? Today, I take a pledge.
I take a pledge.
I pledge.
I pledge
That we will amend these 4 changes in our life. Would you also take the pledge with us?